In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of restore from iCloud time remaining estimating. If you've ever been stuck at this stage while setting up your iPhone or iPad, you'll know how frustrating it can be. Thankfully, there are some steps you can take to resolve this, and we're going to walk through them together. First and foremost, ensure that your device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because a weak or unstable internet connection can severely impact the restore process. It's advisable to use a fast and reliable Wi-Fi network and avoid using mobile data. Mobile data tends to be less stable and can lead to interruptions or extended wait times during the iCloud restoration. Next, let's make sure your device is connected to a power source. Keeping your iPhone or iPad plugged in during the restore process is essential. A continuous power supply ensures that the restoration process isn't halted by battery drainage, which could otherwise lead to incomplete restores or other complications. Now, one thing to note is that seeing time remaining estimating during the restore is a common occurrence. It might seem like something's wrong, but this estimate often fluctuates. Before trying any further solutions, give it a bit of time. Typically, a delay of about 10 to 13 minutes is normal. Patience is key here, so let it sit for a while before taking any additional action. If you find that your device is stuck for longer than expected, you might consider restarting it. To do this, press and hold the power button. On some models, you'll need to hold the volume button as well. Once the power off slider appears, slide it to turn off your device. After the device powers down, turn it back on by pressing the power button again. This simple restart can often resolve minor software hitches that cause delays in the restoration process. Still facing issues? As a last resort, you might need to perform a reset. To do this, go to your settings, select General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, choose the option to erase all content and settings. This step will wipe your device clean, so ensure you've backed up any important data if possible. Once the device restarts, proceed with the setup process as you normally would. When you reach the point of setting up a backup, choose the option to restore from iCloud Backup. With a stable network connection and your device freshly reset, this should ideally go a lot smoother. And there you have it. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to resolve the issue of restore from iCloud time remaining estimating. Remember, maintaining good connectivity and a charged device often helps in avoiding these issues altogether. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in addressing any concerns you had with iCloud restoration.